which will come out. So can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Discord app? All you have to do in the first, just click on you down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Go above this sign, click on it. It's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here until you will find notifications. Click on it. Then you click here on get notifications outside of Discord. So then you click here on notifications. Click on notification categories. Then you just scrolling down here until you will find here for notifications. Sorry, we will go back. Sorry, you will find here for notifications. Clicking this sign, like you see this color show for us here. Sorry again, and you here like you see for notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.